Hey everyone, Andover Adam here. Fall is right around the corner and we're back with so many beautiful new collections. Let's jump right in. The Lady Tulip collection, which is coming out in February of next year, is a gorgeous rainbow colored collection from Edita that you're not going to want to miss. The Lady Tulip collection features this beautiful main print with a bouquet of flowers, big and bold, on 3 different colored backgrounds: the pink, the light teal, and the darker teal. This collection features a bold, bright, and stunning array of coordinating prints, as well as some great neutrals to tie it all together. You can see the rainbow of colors from the reds and oranges on the left, and as we go across through these neutrals, you have these wonderful yellows, greens, and those green blues on the right. It's a spectacular collection of 32 SKUs. You're going to want to have it for your stash. You're going to want to have it for the great quilts that we'll be showing off later this year for the collection. All in all, it's another slam dunk for laundry basket quilts. Next up, we've got 2 collections of new yarn-dyed wovens from Laundry Basket Quilts. We'd like to introduce her Compost East collection here, which you can see in the greens, blues to browns and neutrals. And then we've got the ever-popular blues and whites for Laundry Basket Quilts with this Compost South collection. And we have big news from Laundry Basket Quilts. We're bringing back, by popular demand again, the Blue Sky collection, which you see here. This is the first collection that we did with Laundry Basket Quilts, and this is continuing to be one of the most popular quilting fabric collections that we've ever seen. So this is going to be fully back in stock again this November, and we're also bringing back all the accompanying Century Solids. Those are actually all available now, so if you want to get a head start, you can take a look at that sidebar of Century Solids there. It's a great way to get ready for bringing this collection back in. You can't go wrong with this one. It's hard to believe it, but this coming year marks the 10-year anniversary of Sunprint from Allison Glass, and we're doing something really, really special to celebrate. We're taking one of each of the patterns from her prior groups, and we are coloring them in a brand new way. You've never seen these colors before for these patterns. This is the 10th anniversary collection, Sunprint 2022, coming in January. There's a lot to be excited about here, and I'll have even more to talk about in coming videos about this collection. In January, we have an exciting debut collection from a brand new designer for us. I want to welcome to the team Patty Sloninger, and you guys are going to be blown away by the Flora and Fauna collection, which you see here. This bold and beautiful collection not only features some great butterflies, but it also has the 3 C's of design. The flower, the camellia, it has the bird, the crane, and it's got this great conservatory print, that greenhouse print that you see here. Coming in December, we have this great fabric from the Attic collection from Juicy Juice. These are a great spectrum of his colors, some new designs that you're going to love. These go great with not just his Spectrostatic Blender Basic, which is a big favorite right now, but also his wovens, his Entwine collection. These colors go with pretty much everything that he's done so far, so if you're a Juicy Juice fan, this is a no-brainer for you. Sunflowers, honeycombs, and bees continue to be some of the most popular motifs in sewing and quilting, and this Sunflowers and Honey collection from Kim Schaefer is an absolute showstopper. We have 2 great colorways of the panel here featuring those bright and bold sunflowers and those fun whimsical bees, but we also have a number of really fun whimsical patterns to go with it. We don't just have the bees and the honeycomb, but look, they've drawn a little heart for us in their trail in the air. You don't see that often. Why not get it here? A February collection that you're going to love. Di Ford Hall's legacy lives on, and through some great work from her daughter and our studio, we're proud to present the Oak Alley collection, which is coming out in January of next year. This is a classic, stunning Di Ford Hall collection featuring beautiful, big, bold flowers, floral prints. You've got great stripes in this collection. You've got her color palette, the rich reds, the deep browns into teals. For the wild amongst you, Toucan Art is coming out with this Reflections collection in March of next year, featuring bears, wolves, coyotes, and mountain lions, and some really beautiful accompanying prints. And I was a little scared of this collection, being from the city. I don't see a lot of these animals or a lot of nature, but I've been assured that none of these pose a threat to me, and it's safe to go to sleep with these guys around. They actually probably might keep you safe. I'm not sure if that's true, but that's how it is. In December, we're actually debuting not just a brand new fabric collection, but a brand new kind of quilting cotton. This is Pima Shibori, which features our brand new premium Pima Cotton. No matter your age or appetite, the Very Hungry Caterpillar has been here for generations, and I grew up learning how to read with the Very Hungry Caterpillar. And this time, the Very Hungry Caterpillar is out on a picnic with a remarkable selection of healthy fruits and vegetables, although I do see, amongst that beautiful gingham, there's a cupcake in there. So that's good. That's a life lesson. You want to be able to treat yourself, but, surround yourself with healthy options, like the caterpillar here. Very impressive, Very Hungry Caterpillar. Thank you for teaching us so much in this educational video. If we're talking about classic beauty and elegance in fabric design, we must be talking about Renee Anneman, and this veranda collection is no exception. Take a look at these beautiful florals, and we're mixing in some new colors for Renee. These grays, these darker grays, as you can see on the center in the main pattern and on the right in the main pattern with that kind of charcoal color. And we've also got some great birds. These outlines are really nice to use. They're almost like paisleys in there as well. So it's a really clever design, and that's throughout this collection. In January, we're traveling across the pond to get the London Revival Group from our partners at Macower UK. We've got some traditional prints you can see on the left here. We've got great Union Jacks. We've got that double-decker bus. And we also have a flag panel, which you can see here on the top right, a more traditional color. And then we're getting a little funky on the bottom right with some brand new takes. Coming back stateside, we've got a great Star Spangled collection for you. We've got a great assortment of stars in different scales and colors, and we have these great firework prints as well. There's a little bit of everything that you need here in order to get your red, white, and blue on. The Wallflower collection from Juicy Juice, which is coming to stores in February, features these great neutral versions of all the classic Juicy Juice prints and a couple of new ones mixed in there as well. This is a great collection for those of you who have a color palette in mind already, but you're looking for these kinds of fabrics that just go with everything. Thanks so much again for watching. For even more great fabric, projects, and quilts to go with these, make sure you check out our Instagram at Andover Fabrics and visit our website, andoverfabrics.com. Until next time, be well, be safe, and take care.